Okay, now I got my grandma's car in here, putting a new starter in. Old Betsy's all pissed off right now because she ain't inside of her shop in her parking spot. I got it all tore apart right here, so gotta. Right now I'm putting the starter in here. Starter's going out. Had to take the battery out, the air box out, little air box tube. There's all the tools, but it's a pain in the ass. It's gonna take 2 days, today and tomorrow. So sometime I had to put new CV joints in. Here's the new starter, $238 starter from Napa. I like Napa. Made in Mexico. I don't know why I'm making it in Mexico. I can't make it in America. That's right. It's a Hyundai, not a Ford. Got that right. But here's the old one. There's the grease. There's the grease from the CV. From the CV joints. But got her on ramps. Got the light under there so I can work on it. But right there's where behind her is where Betsy. Last time I worked on this thing, I put a timing belt on. That was a pain in the ass because had to take all this right here had to come off. The alternator had to move. All the belts. They had to take this cover off for the timing belt. Put a brand new timing belt in it. All dirty. Can't be. It's a 2005 Hyundai Accent. So with a 16 valve overhead cam. Fuel injected. Good motor. Get almost 25 miles a gallon. Probably 35 miles a gallon. It's a nice little car. Sometime when we painting it, my dad hit it against the gate and dented it up. So I gotta fix that up. Well, Grandma wants to paint it like a cobalt blue, kind of a something like that. She wants it blue, and she wants to go have some ghost flames. She wants some flames going through here and on the hood. But that's what I was doing today, working on this car. It's a pain in the ass. So gotta get her fixed. It's the only car we have to drive. Old Betsy out there is not running it, the project, but she'll be running. She looks pretty with the yellow rims. She looks good. So that's it. But old digital guy, what is it, meter, auto meter, and mileage meter. Gonna put a new radio in it, but it's a sedan, 4-door sedan. They call them coupes. 2-door coupes are the 2 doors, and the 4 doors are sedans. So that's what I was doing. Got all the parts here. Again, show you again. All the parts. Right in there. Right. And here's where the starter goes. And that's a pain in the ass. Look how tight that is. It's a tight spot for the starter to go in. So, but I'll find out why it's slinging. See that black mark, that's grease. Find out why it's slinging. Just made a video of the car, working on it today. Give you an update tomorrow for part 2. This is part 1. But I was gonna be making a trailer for for Honda Civic, but hey, more important, my vehicles. Who cares about the other cars? So they ain't getting paid for this. Doing it for a favor for my grandma. Got my own car. So vote, comment, subscribe. Rat Rod Welding Shop. Working on this whole white car. It's gonna be blue pretty soon. So, and there it is. Had to push my toolbox in, or my welder in. I had to clean her out sometime. Sometime I'll get on them, fix the bead blasting cabinet. I gotta get more lights. I got a light here, but I'm using the plug. Got that light right there, but I gotta get another light to put over there by the parts washer and the bead blaster. But just have a good day. Bye.